Who wouldn't love yummy spicy noodles? And if they are keto, that's really good choice. Today we are using Sugar Swap's Ultra Low Carb Atta to make those yummy homemade noodles. Yes, homemade food is the thing right now and we should be sticking to it. So, in a KitchenAid bowl or any bowl, if you want to knead it with hand, I'm taking here, I'm using the KitchenAid here, and then in that we are taking 500 grams of flour, 3 large eggs, which would approximately measure 150 grams, 1 teaspoonful of salt, and then just give it a rough mix. It's not necessary to be very thorough, but just give it a rough mix and then add 100 grams of water into that. Now start the mixer in low and then go to medium, and then you can put it on high also, and just get it to a soft, sorry, not soft but a hard dough. It has to be a hard dough to make the pasta, otherwise the pasta will be soggy if it's too sticky or liquidy kind of. It should be a very hard dough, so it should not stick like this. So I'm adding little bit of more flour in case you also feel the atta is bit sticky. Add little bit and then test it again. It's not sticking, so this is how we want it for the noodles. Now mix it a little bit more for at least approximately 5 to 8 minutes, and then cover it and rest it for 20 to 30 minutes minimum. This recipe makes 6 portions of noodles. You can just make them and keep them in the freezer also in an airtight container for up to 4 to 5 months, or in the fridge for up to a week if you are going to cook them before that. So this is how you are going to make the pasta or noodles. Just remember to dust them properly with some flour so that they do not stick to each other. Now the noodles are coming out and they look really good. Ooh, just look at these two. I'm just making 2 types of noodles and keeping them along. Dust them with more flour and then roll them and just keep them in an airtight container. That is it. If you want to cook frozen noodles, you don't need to thaw them also. You can just directly put them into the hot water. Now let's check out the way how can we make it by hand. So this is very simple way actually. You can just roll it out into a thin chapati as we make the chapatis regularly, but a little bit of thickness is necessary just for the noodles. Dust it with some flour so that they do not stick to themselves. So dust it with the flour. Once you have dusted with the dough with the flour properly, now just fold them into layers. You can also roll it like a Swiss roll, and then just cut them into fine slices, very fine slices. Just take a portion of it just to make it easy, and now just cut them. The layers are anyways not sticky at all, as you can see. Now just take the knife and just cut them in the really as thin as possible. You can dice them, and then the noodles are ready. You can just put them into as many other recipes. You can just put them to dry for a minute before cooking. Now they are ready to go into the hot boiling pot of water with a little bit of oil and a little bit of salt. Not cook for more than 1 minute. It's not necessary, so otherwise they will become soggy. So the noodles are ready. You can just go for any kind of recipe you want. So that is it. So hope you enjoy this video. Now just go and make those yummy noodles for yourself and your loved ones, and stay safe and stay healthy. Happy sugar swapping. Oh, and please, if you like this video, please like it and give it some love, and please share it with your friends if you love the recipe, and do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you receive all the videos and notifications for all the videos, so that you do not miss anyone. Thank you.